You may remember this. It's a case from the 90s. Many know it as the Geauga child case. Well, the trial for the woman allegedly responsible for leaving a newborn in the woods began today. Investigator Marissa Sines spent the day in Geauga County. Marissa, what can you tell us?
Good evening, Isabel. Well, I wish there was more to update you on, but despite long-standing rules, the court wouldn't tell us or even allow us to determine what was happening in court. So today, what we know is that jury selection began for the trial. This process, which is supposed to be public and only closed for extreme circumstances, but it wasn't open for anyone today, and the court couldn't tell us exactly why, at least not as of now. Gail Ritchey, who investigators say allegedly admitted to placing the baby, now known as Geauga's child, into a trash bag that is, and leaving him in a wooded area after giving birth. She faces an aggravated murder charge. The baby was found nearly 30 years ago and was linked to Ritchey through familial DNA back in 2019, which will play a major role in this trial.
There will probably be a certain amount of litigation, both before they really get into the heart of the trial and then in front of the jury directly, as to the reliability of this DNA testing, the viability and the circumstances by which the government did the DNA testing to look back into these registries. We look at DNA evidence as sort of the gold standard of forensic evidence linking defendants to crimes.
And one more note about how this trial began. The jury selection was moved off of courthouse grounds to the Geauga County Commissioner's office. One thing that's important, the secretary for the judge, David Andre, said that was because of lack of space. Now, we're not sure how long the jury selection could last, but our investigative team and our legal counsel have been asking for more information, and we're waiting for a response as well.
Absolutely. I know you'll stay on top of this for us. Thank you, Marissa.